How to respond. When a younger woman asks your age. When a younger woman asks, "How old are you?" many men falter with responses like, "I'm only 45, is that okay?" Or, "I'm 50, but most people say I look younger." Others might say, "I'm 55, but I still feel energetic. I work out regularly and take care of myself." These responses often come off as insecure and can immediately turn her interest away. Your age isn't the issue. It's how you handle the question that matters. Knowing the right answers can significantly enhance your dating game with charming younger women. At the end of this video, I've included some perfect responses suitable for anyone over 40, so don't miss them. Understanding her motivation. In over 90% of cases, when she asks about your age, she wants to assess whether you're insecure about it. She's curious to know if your age will be a problem or an asset to who you are. Essentially, she's testing your self-confidence, assurance, and the maturity you naturally bring to the table at your age. The first thing to recognize is that she likely already knows you're older than her based on your appearance and body language. She's not trying to determine if you match her. She's assessing qualities she can't see right away. Insecurity can be a major turnoff. Women recognize it quickly and often shy away from men who feel inadequate because of their age. How to respond? Confidently. What you need to do is answer confidently and self-assuredly, whether you're 45 or 55. If she says you're too old for her, it's essential to respond in a way that keeps her interested and attracted. Here's a quick 6-step method to assess her and the situation. Women bend their rules. While women may have rules about age differences, these can be flexible when the right man comes along. If you can make her feel excited, confident, and special, she'll overlook the numbers. It's all about the emotional connection you create. Timing matters. Don't reveal your age too soon. Women often need time to warm up to you, like a clock. Give her time to recognize your personality and charisma before discussing numbers. Once she falls for you, the age difference becomes less important. Add 2 years to her guess. When she asks how old you are, turn it back to her. "Guess how old I am." She'll likely guess younger out of politeness. For example, if you're 45 and she guesses 38, you can say, "Almost. I'm actually 40 inches." This keeps the conversation light and fun. Bait her curiosity. If she asks your age, say, "I'm really close. How about I give you a few clues and you guess again later?" This keeps her engaged and gives you more time to showcase your personality. Playfully exaggerate. Exaggeration can be a humorous way to handle the question. If she asks your age, respond with a playful smile. "Old enough to be your grandfather, just kidding. I've got a few more years under my belt than you." This shows confidence and a sense of humor, both attractive qualities. Flip the script. If she asks your age, turn the tables. "Old enough to know what I want, but what about you? I need to make sure you're not too young for me." This puts you in control and demonstrates confidence. Follow up with a compliment to keep things positive. "I have to admit, you've got great charisma." Bonus tip: frame it positively. Always phrase your age positively. For example, say, "I'm in my early 40s and enjoying every minute of it. These years have given me so much experience and perspective." This not only answers her question, but also conveys confidence and maturity. Comparing responses. Now, compare these answers to the insecure ones mentioned earlier, like, "I'm only 45, is that okay?" Or, "I'm 50, but most people say I look younger." These responses are filled with insecurity and low self-esteem, which can lead to instant rejection. Many women have age preferences, but plenty are also open to dating older men. What matters most is how she feels about you. Does she view the age difference as insignificant due to the unique connection and attraction between you two? If a woman persists about your age, address it directly but firmly. You might say, "Is age a problem for you? Because my relationships are more about the connection than a number." This shifts the focus back to the relationship instead of the age. The most important thing is to create that connection. Don't answer the age question directly. Bring it to the date by saying, "I want to see if I feel a connection with you. Then we can discuss our shoe sizes and the years we were born." Keep it light-hearted. Ready-made responses. Here are some ready-made responses to use when she asks about your age. Old enough to know not to answer that question. Say it with a smile and a wink, then change the subject. This keeps you in control and shows you're not easily shaken, something younger women appreciate. Well, how much do you weigh? This mirrors her question and shows her how it feels to be asked something personal while keeping you in control of the conversation. How old are you? I need to make sure you're not too old for me. This creates a flirtatious mood and shifts the focus to your preferences. Didn't your parents teach you not to ask personal questions? Say it with a grin, then change the subject. This keeps the conversation light and shows that the question doesn't bother you.